And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz Gold Star level routine with teaching count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at the same choreography, but this time in slow motion. We take close hold and start with preparation step. First we move to left with slight rotation to right, and then we move to right with rotation to left, preparation step itself, and we continue with running spin turn, which is natural turn 3 steps, natural pivot and open natural turn. We continue with outside change to promenade position. From here we dance a running cross chasse, which is originally quick step figure, and a running weave from promenade position, first 4 steps, into tumble turn, which is feather finish and reverse pivot. Now reverse turn second half and traveling contra check to promenade position. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. So we take close hold. Man dances facing diagonally to wall. Preparation step. First half of running spin turn, we dance diagonally to wall, then down line of dance, second bar of running spin turn, around the corner, diagonally to center, outside change, to promenade position. In same direction we move with running cross chasse, and we finish it diagonally to wall, then the running weave from promenade position. From here we dance tumble turn diagonally to center, then diagonally to wall into corner, reverse turn, and in same direction traveling contra check to promenade position. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.